Good morning to everyone. Let's see what we are going to do about nouns. Children, um, I don't have the name list right now, so you have to cooperate with me, okay? Whatever name comes to my mouth, I'll just call out. Let's see whether I have it. I don't think so. Don't have a note, so I got only 2A. Okay, children, we'll start our class right now. Just look at the screen now. You don't worry about anything. You just look. Nobody's going to write this. Underline the nouns. We are going to underline the nouns. I'm just going to ask you. I just want Jane to read the first sentence. All the nouns. Nouns means naming words. Jane, can you read the first sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
The Plane.
Plane.
The plane is flying in the sky.
Okay, you got some naming words over there. Can you tell me which are the naming words? Nouns. Name of something. What is the first one given there?
The
What is plane? Plane. Aeroplane. Yes. Is it a noun? Name
yes.
of something. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it a name? Is it a name? Is it a noun? Name of something. Plane.
Plane.
Aeroplane. Hurry up.
Aeroplane. Plane.
Now you tell me whether it is a noun, baby.
It is a noun.
Very good. That's what I want. So underline. Then one more thing is there. What is the next noun? The same sentence.
Flying.
No, that is a verb. Flying. In the, what is the last word?
The last word is sky.
Sky. That also is a name. Okay. Jane, think an answer. Okay. Flying is a verb. Doing something. Good. Second one is for Shashwata. Shashwata. Not there. Okay. Niral. Niral.
Twinkling.
Can you read the second sentence? Who's this?
Niral, ma'am.
Niral. Okay, please read the second sentence.
Monkeys are jumping on the trees.
Can you just underline the nouns over there?
Monkeys, ma'am.
Okay, let me underline. Next one.
Trees.
Very good. See, it's all names. General name. Proper noun and nothing. Proper noun is not there till now. You just see. Very good, Niral. Now, next child is Sujin. Sujin, can you read the third sentence? Can you read the third sentence?
The stars are twinkling.
Which one I have to underline?
Stars, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, twinkling is a verb. Twinkling. Stars. Very good. Next is for Sri Mukilan. You have to tell me first. Read the fourth sentence. Okay, I'm leaving. If they're not coming fast, I'm going to the next person. I cannot waste time, okay, because you can learn after explaining. Are you able to answer Sri Mukilan fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the sentence.
The lion.
Fourth one.
The teacher.
Sri Mukilan, read soon, Sri Mukilan. The teacher writes, come on.
The teacher writes on the blackboard.
Yeah. Tell me the nouns over there.
Teacher.
Okay, good. Then one more is there. One more name is there.
Blackboard.
Yeah. Sri Mukilan, every day you have to read fast. Now you're going to third standard next year. You have to read fast. Okay. Okay, now. Fifth one is for Sanjay Krishna. Sanjay Krishna, are you ready? Sorry. Yeah, fifth one. You read fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Read
My
the second.
friend loves reading books.
Already friend they underline. Which one else I should underline? Sanjay?
Ma'am.
Books. Very good. Now, okay, turn off your mic. Okay. Now, the next sentence is sixth one. I just want Abisha to read sixth sentence. Sixth one. Abisha.
Okay, ma'am.
Read Abisha.
The lion lives in the forest.
Yeah. Tell me the nouns over there.
Lives.
No, that is a verb. Name of something. Name.
Lion, ma'am.
Lion and one more.
Forest.
Very good. So, first what you said lives. You must not say like that. You must think twice. Third time only you have to answer. Okay, Abhishek, good. Next one is for, listen, next one is for Sanjit. Are you there, Sanjit? No. Cyrus, read seventh one.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Cyrus, ma'am.
Read seventh sentence.
My mother cooks tasty food.
Yeah. Tell me the nouns.
Mother.
Mother. Then.
Food.
Very good. Food. Very good. Very good. Eighth one is for Ansh John. Ansh, read the full sentence. Eighth one.
Children like watching television.
Already we underlined television is the name of a thing. Now what about the other noun over there?
Children.
Very good. General noun. Okay. It's common. Children. Now, next two are written already. I want Kayalina to read ninth one. Kayalina. Ninth one, Kayalina. Not there. Kanira, can you read ninth one? Ninth one.
Ma'am, I'm Kylina.
Okay, Kylina, when I call, you have to come fast, okay? Otherwise, the question will go to the next person. Okay, now read Kylina, ninth one.
The pencils are in a...
Not in the pencil box.
In the pencil box.
The pencils are in the pencil box. Now, already they have underlined the nouns. Do you think it's right?
No, ma'am.
No, see, it's right. And Kylina, I want something. When I'm asking you a question, when you turn on your mic, I don't want anybody to talk behind, okay? Not helping you, they are having some other conversation. It should be like silent. Okay, you have to speak. Now, pencils, noun. Pencil box is a noun. You cannot say no, ma'am. Okay, pencils, noun, and pencil box, noun. Okay, turn off your mic.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next one is Kanira.
Ma'am,
Read the 10th sentence, Kanira.
Kitty is my pet cat.
Yeah. Tell me the nouns over there.
Kitty, cat.
Very good. Now I'll just read and you have to listen. The plane is flying in the sky. Monkeys are jumping on the trees. The stars are twinkling. The teacher writes on the blackboard. My friend loves reading books. The lion lives in the forest. My mother cooks tasty food. Children like watching television. The pencils are in the pencil box. Kitty is my pet cat. Now, children, you have to read all these sentences at least twice. after today's class, after 11 o'clock. Is it clear to you? Yes, you no need to say yes. I want Effie to read the first 5 sentences fast. Effie,
Okay, ma'am.
read soon.
Okay, ma'am. The plane is flying in the sky. Monkeys are jumping on the trees. The stars are twinkling. The teacher writes on the blackboard. My friend loves reading books.
Yes, good. Now, very good, Effie. Now, Arush Botra, read from 6 to 10 sentences. Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
please read 6 to 10 sentences, Arush.
Yes, ma'am. The
Yeah.
lion lives in the forest. My mother cooks tasty food. Children like watching television. The pencils are in the pencil box. Kitty is my pet cat.
Very good. Now, children,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, you just don't write this, you just take out your classwork note. I'll tell you what you have to do. Take out your classwork note. Everybody take out your classwork note. Okay? And quickly write the heading. Write the opposites in the correct boxes. Write the heading and just draw 4 columns and write these words in your classwork note fast. Okay. Take a new page. Just copy those words. Children, because I have within 5 minutes, I will go to the next one. So you have to copy these words. Copy all the words in your classwork note. Just write the heading and copy the words in your classwork note in 1 page. Draw 4 columns. Leave one line down. Vertically, you have to leave one line when you copy. Copy all the words soon, because the question is in the next page. Tridip, copy these words fast in a new page. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it. Because seeing these words, only you can do the questions. I mean, next page questions. Keep it down and copy all the words. Just write the words, because using these words only you can write the next page. Dry, dirty, right, asleep. You just write one below the other. Pretty, hard, small, night. Bad, fast, noisy, sad. Cold, easy, friend, rich. I will show you the next page after this. So you have to fill in that page using these words. Sona, are you there, Sona? Okay, what happened is Sanvi. Israelina, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
You wrote all the words. Very good. Yes. Somebody else is talking to me. Just copy the words. Jane, are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because ma'am cannot go back to the previous page every time. So if you have the words, you will know better to answer fast. Okay. Just copy the words. When you finish copying these words in one page, take a new page for the next question.
Okay, ma'am.
Alan, are you able to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanvi, what happened? Write slowly, don't worry. You must not continue the next questions in the same page. You have to take a new page for the questions and the answer. Rida, did you complete the Rida?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good girl.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. You must check the spellings now. Yes, can I go to the next page?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Hurry up. Because,
No, ma'am.
okay. Yes, children. Kushagra, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, children, I'll go to the next page. Otherwise, then in
No,
between, no, baby. When you actually in the next page, only the answers. Don't worry about these words. Okay. When you complete the next page, you don't need to worry about the page you are writing. Okay. You see the next page. See ya. This is your next page. So, you don't worry about all the 4 columns. First, you listen carefully. You write all these words: big, good, wet, clean, enemy, slow. Only these words in a new page, and middle of that page, draw a line to write the opposites. You don't write happy in the same page. Take another page and write happy, soft, poor, ugly. This is one page. This is second page. Don't draw 4 columns, only 2 columns on a page. In your classwork note, take one page, draw 2 columns, write the question this side. This is your one page and this is your second page. Is it clear to you, Cyrus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to take 2 pages to write this. Continuously can write. Don't draw 4 columns. 2 columns in a page, another 2 columns in another page. Continuously you write. Big. Slowly you can write because you need only the questions now. Answers are there. Already you have written just now. the previous one. Big, good, wet, clean, enemy, slow, difficult, day. You write first only this. Only one page you write. When we finish, we will see whether we will be able to do the next one. Only write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. Then we'll try to write the answers. Take a new page, write big, good, wet, clean, enemy, slow, difficult, day. Those who know the answers can fill in slowly. I'm not asking you to write all the 16. Only the first page, 8 words. Copy it and try to find the answers from the previous page. I will make one by one answer. Don't worry about it. I will ask. Then you can answer. Now, big. Big. Adonia, can you tell me the opposite of big? Adonia is not there. Akshara. No. Sona. Nobody is there. Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the opposite of big?
Ma'am, small, ma'am.
Yes, this is the way you have to write. All these words are given just now, the previous page. Good, Alan. Next one is Jaciel. Can you tell me the opposite of good? Only Jaciel. What is it, Jaciel?
Bad.
Bad. B-A-D, bad. Dhruv. Dhruv,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read the next one, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Wet. Wet. My
Wet.
dress. Yeah. My dress is wet. So what will be the opposite?
Dry.
Dry. Now I don't want anybody to ask anything in between. Just follow this pattern and complete the first page, please. Thank you. Now, Mukil M. Are you there, Mukil? Mukil? No. Okay, now. Punit. Punit, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
Sad.
No. Please read. C-L-E-A-N.
Clean.
What is the opposite of clean? My dress is clean.
Dirty.
Dirty. As you write, you must learn the spelling. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Clean, dirty. Okay, good. Now, Ritun. Ritun. Yes, Ritun is not there. Judah. Judah.
Yes, ma'am. Judah, ma'am.
Very good. How are you, Judah?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Tell me the opposite of enemy.
Friend.
Very good. Children, afterwards you have to go through all these words because all these are general opposites. You have to learn the spellings. Okay. Now next one is Tridip, tell me the next word you read and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Slow, fast.
Very good.
Difficult.
Good. Good, good.
Ma'am, can I read, ma'am?
Now let me know who's this child.
Manu, ma'am.
Who?
Manu, ma'am.
Manu, many times I told you, you have to answer only when I call your name. Okay, just wait. Just wait. Okay, Manu. Sri Mukilan, not Sri Mukilan. Next person is. 1 minute. Wait, Manu. You are not supposed to turn on your mic. All the children will start then. Now, next person is Sai Vasavi. Read the next word. Sai Vasavi.
Ma'am.
Read the next word.
Easy.
No, you just read the next word I said. That's not very good. Difficult. Listen, children. 1 minute. You have to listen to the teacher. Read the next word itself. Answer is easy. Manu, I am giving you a chance. Every time you do the same, I am giving you a chance. You don't repeat. Okay, Manu. Tell me the next one, Manu. You just read the question J. J.
Happy dad.
What is, see, still you are not listening. Next word is day.
Day, night.
Yes. Please don't turn on your mic hereafter. Okay, don't disturb the class. Day, night. Now let me see whether all have completed this. Yes? Very good, Manu. Turn off your mic. Children, have you completed the first 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay. Then
No, ma'am.
now listen. Alvin and all, don't talk in between, please. When I am talking, you all don't talk this and that. Now, children, after writing this, take a new page, copy the next word. Anybody wants to write any word, you can go to the recording and do it. Because each one is joining as they like. Please copy in the next one or continue down. Happy, soft, poor, ugly, quiet, wrong, hot, awake. All these are not new to you, old words only. Please copy it one below the other. If no space, next page. Because you all know, Puneet, turn off your mic, ma. Puneet's mic is on. Copy the next 8 words neatly on one side. Yes, one by one I think I can do. Then only it will be easy for you. Yeah. Now, next person is, I don't have the name. Okay, 1 second. Yes, Kabir. Can you tell me the next one? Happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy. What is the opposite of happy?
Sad.
Sad. Very good. Jake, can you read the next word? Already answer is written.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next word? Soft. What is
Soft,
the- hard.
hard.
Very good. Now, Johannes Thomas. Johan. No, Johan is not attending the class for a long time. Jonathan Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next word. Poor. Poor.
Poor. Rich.
Very good, Jonathan. I don't know what happened to Johan. He's not coming. Now, Mohammad Faizan,
Yes, ma'am.
read the next word. Quiet. Read.
Quiet.
What is the opposite?
Noisily.
Not noisily, only noisy. Good, good. Very good. Tarush. Tarush. Okay, he's not there. Yuvan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Tarush is there. Tarush, read the next word, Tarush.
WRONG. Wrong.
You must not say WRONG. That is your spelling. You're telling the spelling that you can say in your mind. And say, read the word means only read wrong. Read again. Wrong. Yeah, no problem. You can say the spelling in your mind. What is the opposite of wrong?
Right.
Spelling.
RIGHT.
Very good. Okay. Next one is Yuvan Prabhakaran. Yuvan,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell the next word, Yuvan?
Yes, ma'am. Hot.
Hot.
Cold.
Very good. Now I need Sharan Pranav to read the last one. Already answer is written. Sharan Pranav. Not there. Okay. Indian. Okay, children, they are taking time to come. Awake, asleep. Awake, asleep. Let us see the next one. Sorry. Now, hope all would have written this. It's getting late. Those who didn't write, you can go to the recording or write. No problem.